Here is a quick video. This LG refrigerator was underperforming, like 10 degrees hotter than normal refrigerator. And sometimes the refrigerator freezer also was failing. Now I thought the refrigerator is not working properly. I have to get it repaired. Soon I realized that this was not a garage ready refrigerator, and this refrigerator was in garage. So I moved the refrigerator to my living room. Within 2 hours it started working fine, and it has been 1 week now. It works fairly well. I've tested the temperature as well. Fairly good, 44 degree Fahrenheit. In garage it was 55 Fahrenheit. So please make sure you do not keep your normal refrigerator in garage, as they underperform and you think that the refrigerator is defective. That's not the case. The refrigerator is not capable of handling higher temperatures, so it has to be in the covered area or air conditioned area. Thank you. Bye.